Hello, in today's video I'm going to share with you a beautiful model home by ICI here in wonderful SilverLeaf in St. Augustine. What we're going to look at is a model home that's for sale, which means you can own it and they want you to lease it back to them. So let's go check it out and see what it's all about. Alright folks, this is the outside. This is the Costa Mesa by ICI. And it's in a cul-de-sac. It's the second house in here in this little area. And they are still building in this community. So let's go see. I love the covered porch, so you can sit out here, and the pavers are quite lovely. Landscaping is beautiful, and obviously it'll be modified so you could get into your garage. But let's go see what ICI has to offer. As you enter in, you can see it has some luxury vinyl flooring here. Really high ceilings with the detailing with the crown molding. And to your immediate right, you have some barn doors opening into a flex space that they have set up as an office. With the treatment on the wall, adds a lot of dimension and layers of texture into this room. With the shutter blinds, the transom windows. You can see the front door also has a window with a transom above that as well. You come down this hall slightly and you turn to your left and you have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So the front bedroom is right here with a carpet. This is showing you a full-size bed with the shutters on the windows, very tall ceilings, interesting beadwork on the chandelier, and a nice closet here, and it's a carpeted floor. Nice molding all around the doors, very tall doors. To your immediate left, you have a bathroom that these 2 bedrooms would share and guests would share. The quartz top, the tile in the shower, and another transom window with your bronze fixtures in here. And then we're going to go into the next bedroom here. You have a ceiling fan in this one and pot lights up here. But there's another generous sized bedroom here. In a similar closet as the other bedroom. And here they have a butler's pantry with a glass door for your wine. Nice little touch. Nice wide entranceway. When you see from the front door, you can see how tall this is. Then you walk in and you have a space here for your dining room. And they added an accent wall. And then to your immediate right, you have this very big, beautiful kitchen with a drop side on the counter on the island. It's a 2-tone, so the island is one color and the other cabinets are the other. It's a gas community. And you have your farmer sink here. It's a very deep counter. see the beautiful hood with the accent on the backsplash. And these cabinets, they go all the way up. The glass at the top. And you have a nice smaller little closet into your pantry. And this is a big walk-in pantry. Then you have a oven with a microwave, stacked and open shelving here. The cabinets all the way up. And this one was voted for one of the best featured areas in the Parade of Homes this year, 2025. You can see this builder has a lot of awards. Here is their little drop zone area off of the garage. And the laundry room with the cabinets above and a sink and a nice feature on the floor with that tile. And a very interesting chandelier in the laundry room. Very nice. So now you go into the great room. You notice it's so wide open with the high ceilings, interesting lighting, the big wall of sliding glass doors, which is absolutely how you invite the outdoors in. So you can take a look here. This island is so big, you can have 4 stools halfway tucked in. Ceiling fan. And the view overlooking the water. It's completely screened in. And they have a kitchen on the outside, pavers on the outside. With your lake view. Let's go see the owner's suite. Beautiful feature wall, the large king bed, beautiful chandelier with a tray ceiling. And a beautiful picture window looking out over the lake. Very serene. A crown molding, a double crown molding. And into the owner's ensuite. Look at that huge shower. The large rain shower head and another shower head. Big vanity, undermounted solid surface with little lights above and the transom windows above, bringing in some natural light. You have a private water closet here. And this shower is huge. Really nice, interesting tile work on the floor and in the niches where you put your shampoo. And here's the closet. What do you think? Is this somewhere you can envision yourself living? This community has a great amenity centers. They're opening more. You're close to shopping. The beautiful thing about this community is there is no CDD in this community. The original owners of this land made sure that that did not happen. And here's more access to go outside. Here's another bathroom with a shower, toilet, and vanity. Look at that tile. That's really, really interesting and beautiful. They have the penny tile on the floor and in the niche. And another transom window at the top here. And another bedroom. And they have it set up like a yoga room, like an exercise room. And ICI is one of the builders that you can still build and put your touches on it and do some customization. And upstairs, let's go see what they have up here. Lots of natural light coming in from these extra windows up here. They even brought the crown molding upstairs and the luxury vinyl. Really nice touch. The ceiling fan and another bathroom up here. Half bath. So this home was built in 2022 by ICI, and they have it on the market here, and they are willing to do what they call a 12-month lease back. So you buy the house and then they lease it back from you and give you the money for it so they can continue showing it and selling from it in the future. So that's an interesting concept because you're getting the model home, but maybe you're not ready to move. So it's something to really think about. It's 3,155 square feet. And the amenities in this community have 2 HOAs. So it's $1,200 annually and $650 annually. But like I said, no CDD, and there's a lot to choose from in this community for things to do, places to go and eat, restaurants, the schooling around here. So this is all St. Johns County, so it's ideal for you and your family if you're raising your family out here. So what was your favorite feature that I showed you in this house? Was it the kitchen? Was it the view? Was it the owner's suite? Was it the bonus room upstairs? Let me know in the comments, what did you think of this model home? And then I want you to guess what you think the price is. And then I'll let you know if you're right about what they have it on the market for currently. And if this video was interesting to you, give me a thumbs up, give me a like and a subscribe. I would so much appreciate your support on my channel. My name's Nicole Smith, and I'm a local realtor here in Metro Jacksonville. And I want to continue to add value to you and give you perspective of different communities in the Metro Jacksonville, Florida area that you're thinking about moving into or moving to Jacksonville and you're out of state. Maybe you're watching me in California right now. Maybe you're in Nevada. Maybe you're in Colorado or Michigan, Ohio, or Connecticut. Wherever you may be watching, I am here to guide you through this process. If you're a 55 and over, if you're in the military, or you are upsizing or right sizing, whatever your needs are, I can help you with all your real estate needs. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out this other video I did, because I did another community. or this video where I give you a lot of insight on different aspects of real estate. Thanks so much for watching, friends. And until next time, remember, life is too short not to love where you're living. And I'm living the dream here in Jacksonville, Florida, and I would love for you to be my neighbor. Stay safe and God bless.